What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Hitachi finished brad nailer. Now, it goes from 5/8 of an inch up to 2 inches. And I've had this thing, you may not realize it by looking at it, but I've had this thing for over 5 years now. And I know what you're thinking. Do you use this thing ever? And the answer to that question is absolutely. I've used this thing nearly 100 times. I don't baby my tools, but I also don't throw them around on a concrete floor and get them all banged up and stuff like that, right? So what I wanted to do is just give you guys a review, give you guys my own opinion on this particular tool, and you guys can make the decision for yourself, right? So this particular tool, like I said, 5 years old, weighs about 4 pounds, is actually pretty light compared to some of the other brad nailers that I've used. Again, and the range that you can, this is kind of, in my opinion, a universal brad nailer. If you plan on doing any DIY projects inside of your house, you want to put down some boards, a quarter round. I've used this for trim, and all different types of things like that. And this thing is a workhorse. As you can see, it's air powered here, and it is really, really light and easy to use. There are kind of multiple safety functions, which I really like about this. I've let my 14-year-old help me with projects without feeling like he was going to hurt himself or somebody else. It's got a, excuse me, there's an airplane flying up above, but there's a safety right here, and there's also a safety right here. So I really, really like that feature that there is 2 different safety features on here that prevent this from a nail from discharging. It loads very, very easily. All you have to do is pick up this lever right here, and the nails are spring loaded and they pop out right here. As you guys can see, there's a little latch right here which allows you to pull this out. I'll show you guys real quick so you guys can see that. So there's the nails in there, and you load it just by just by closing. That's hard to do with one hand, but as you guys can see, if I can do it with one hand, you guys could probably do this with 2 hands. Okay, this grip is, it's in pretty good condition, wouldn't you think, for 5 years of use and probably 100 times we've used this thing. The grip holds up really, really well. It does recommend here oiling daily. I haven't oiled it daily, but I have oiled this thing a few times per year. I do not use this every single day. This is something that's just like projects and DIY stuff around the house. It's just really, really nice to have. We use a Hitachi pancake compressor to power this, and it, again, you don't need any electricity for this, which is really, really cool. You just need electricity for your compressor to power the air to run it. It's once you have it up to the right pressure, this thing is pretty, it packs a punch, right? And you can, there's a lever here on the back, and it allows you to kind of change the how much pressure you're allowing to shoot the nail out. Okay, so that's a really nice feature. You can kind of dial it in to the type of wood that you're working with, so the specific depth and the length of the nail. This thing allows you to do all of those things. So again, this is the NT50AE2 Hitachi brad or finished nailer. Again, this is it's an 18 gauge. Like most videos, I'm just doing this to show you guys the stuff that I like, the stuff that I use, and hopefully you guys got value out of this video. Like all videos, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.